Yo, what is going on YouTube? So this video today is an updated video to show you how to get cap breakers in 2K26. This method is super simple using a working NBA 2K26 locker code that you can redeem right now, and it's going to supply you with all cap breakers, guys. So this is going to get you 28 cap breakers in 2K26. Now, I believe there are only around 20 known sources if you was to grind the game. But guys, this is going to get you every single cap breaker for free, and it takes just a few minutes. So before I show you guys this locker code, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am always planning to create more updated videos. So let's get into it and show you how to get cap breakers in 2K26 using a locker code. So as you can see, guys, I recommend you use your mobile phone internet browser just to get this 2K26 code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform. And I must say, because this is a locker code, it's going to work on every platform. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So like I said, just use your mobile phone internet browser. It's easier to get your locker code on your mobile phone. So Cold Coupons. Now, I've used these previously for other 2K25, 2K24, for example, as well, in previous years. But I noticed they actually had a locker codes page on here for 2K26. So I'm just going to search NBA, and this is the page here, guys. So just navigate your way to this page. Like I said, use the search bar. It makes it a lot easier. There are 4 verified locker codes, so go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for the cap breakers code, guys. So this is going to get all cap breakers in 2K26 for free, and guys, this is 28 of them. So this is literally the fastest and easiest method, and I actually believe this is the only working method to get all 28 cap breakers. So this is absolutely awesome. Now, I used this earlier, so I doubt I'll be able to do it again. But basically, you can see these are limited codes, so you can only do this once, guys. So make sure once you have your code, use it for yourself. If you give it to your friend, you probably won't be able to repeat the process. You can try it, but I think it limits 1 code per person. So you need to unlock your code. And you got to follow the instructions here, guys. It's super easy. I know it looks daunting if this is the first time you've seen this page, but you just need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below, and that is going to unlock your 2K26 locker code from Cold Coupons. Now, basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page, and these are really easy things. They're mostly like installing and opening mobile applications. You do just have to make sure you follow the instructions below each app. You may see surveys as well. They're really easy. You just got to basically follow through the instructions that it says. So anyway, I'm going to skip through this. Like I said, I've already done this, but basically just complete 2 of the tasks on this page. They're completely free, and they're going to take a few minutes. And once you do that, it will redirect you back to this page, and your 2K26 locker code will be revealed. And you redeem it in the locker code field in the game, and that is going to get you all cap breakers, guys. So this is by far the quickest and easiest method to get cap breakers in 2K26. So head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help obtaining your locker code, let me know in the comments section. But it is pretty easy. Just do make sure you follow through all of the instructions. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.